Alright guys, you welcome to AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. If today is your first time you're coming to this channel, I'll tell you subscribe, like and share the link for others to benefit as well, because that is what we do in here. Okay? And if you're a returning subscriber, don't forget to copy the link of this particular video and share to others so that they can benefit too. And another way, we have another YouTube called AYA. You can go there and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. You hear me? Because if not you, not us. So subscribe. We have a very informative video as well too. Don't forget that we ship everywhere. You see, this whole of this store is for you guys. Yeah, we ship everywhere. Name it. We ship to US, we ship to Canada, Asia country, UK, Europe. Just name it. Only place we don't go is the land of see me no more, because nobody's going there. Alright, so and then again we ship with, we deliver within the country, anywhere. Yes, not the place we have Boko Haram, but we deliver anywhere. Okay. In a quick one, I just want to make you know this, that the review today particularly is for those coming up in a skincare line, because a lot of people, they coming up in the skincare line, they feel like some of the information they need to get, they're not really getting it from us. So that's more reason sometimes I want to go back to videos I've done before, so some topics that I've handled before. So today I want to talk about some of the Shenic product. People don't know the word Shenic, like they feel Shenic is just a name of a product, like this is a product called Shenic. No, Shenic is a brand. The way we have Fit Gold, we have glutathione and all that. So Shenic is a brand also that have different type of formula under it, different type of product under it. Are you getting it? So I want to talk about those products, which are some of the oils. We call them oils, because they are oils, and not all are oils. So in a quick one, I want to show you this. This is called Perfect Legs. You see it now, right? Yes, Perfect Leg. And this Perfect Leg, we have the stage one, which is this blue one, right? Yes. And this blue one is basically not look like it's walk tree. Like the reason why it's being done this way is not that it doesn't work, because they say, oh, this one look watery and the other one stage 2 look oiling. So like maybe this one work very well. Bro, sees everything perfect, unless you go past some sheep particles that maybe they're not working. Otherwise, they all work perfectly. So now you have stage 1, you have stage 2. So the reason is very clear. If you are that type that you so oiling, like you don't like putting oil that much on your lotion, inside the lotion, and in your production, you don't like much oils, I think this one is best for you. Alright, and look at the things, how it works, right? Said dilated vessels, stretch mark, pityriasis and scars, blue vein, varicose vein, redness, beauty spot, etc. Blah blah blah. So it works. Now it don't work. So if you that type don't like oil, so I think you should go for this. Go for this. Very effective. Very effective. Don't say it doesn't work. It works. And it doesn't really matter that you must use all of it while producing. Just imagine a lady called me, said, can I use all of it for 500 ml just lotion? I want to try to do so. I said, well, what I'll tell you is this. It's not because they say, I mean, this is all it contains, and then again, you want to make 500. 500 lotion is not much, hey, right? Do I have any 500 lotion? Okay, 500 lotion, I don't have one that I can lay my hand on right now. Okay, but 500 lotion is not much that you can just use all of them now. Some of all this things I do tell you, excess of it might even cause out some other breaker. Yes. I mean, this they should be telling you all. I don't know this 2 naira. How will I put this 2 naira WhatsApp training you all go sometime is crazy. Are you getting it? It doesn't really need much to succeed. I keep saying it. Yes, but you have to get yourself good information. They say knowledge is power. Information also still powerful. You hear me? So you don't need to go to degree and read all that before you get some luxurious degree before you can know how to do skincare stuff. No, you hear me? But understand that the same way you don't need to go do all those 2,000, 3,000, 10,000, whatever on WhatsApp you do to know all this. Because that is why I don't blame them. They say, oh, she don't pick up, he don't pick up. After you've paid, they've given you a whole knowledge for 2,000 naira, you still want to go now. They're not going to pick your call even. But don't forget that. Give yourself a better training. Yes, give yourself a better training so you can know all this. So that is that. So let's go right back to what we were saying. This one you can use if you know you are having oily skin, so you can go for this. Then again, this is the stage 2. Look at it. This is the stage 2. Yes, this is the stage 2, and this one is oiling, right? Yes, it's oiling, and the same thing he treats. Look at it. He pretty treats the same stuff. So for you that have dry skin, you can go for this. What I've just explained about this, applicable to this. The difference is that this one is watery and this one is oily. Let nobody tell you, let nobody tell you this one is more powerful, that one is more blah, blah, blah. Now, yes, go for any of them. Depend on your skin. Now a lady asked me, what do you mean by skin type? You see? So the skin type I've been telling you now is this. Your skin might not really be like my skin. Maybe your skin is oiling or your skin is dry. So if your skin is oiled, full of oiling, so like you've been oil on your skin everywhere, like me, I'm oil type skin, retard, then this is what I mean, right? So that my lotion not gonna be making me having some of that breakout, because much of the oil can still cause breakout in your body. It can cause also other irritation, yes, hyperpigmentation, yes. So I will go for this because I'm oiling, right? Then if you, now you're oiling, your skin is always dry, then you go for this. So don't make me repeat myself. I'm done with this. So here we go. Now you see this one? Yes. This one is very easy. Very easy. This one is still a product of Shenic. Are you getting it? This one is glycetine. Look at it. Yes, glycetine. It's Shenic. Oh, now wow, I want to buy this, I want to buy. They don't even know the difference. Just give me Shenic. They will test you, I need Shenic. Some will say, and the one when they draw girl for the face. The one that draw leg for the face. But the truth is, what it does, you don't know, right? Yes, you see this one? And then they say this one is strong bleaching treatment. So that is to say it's lightening property. It's whitening property. Are you getting it? You can use it for that, and not for green vein, blah, blah, blah. No. This one is bleaching, right? Yes, this one is bleaching, and this one has, you can see, this one has, AHA. You can see it now? Yes, it has that 2% of it. You can see. Yes, you can see it now. So some people, if you don't know what AHA mean, which is alpha hydroxy acid, right? So it has that, and then it has some block on it. So we should know that this one, yes, it's not for the gravy with this, but rather it's a bleaching oil. So that is that. You should know, and it works very well. So let's quickly see. So okay, it's been here. So like, and it doesn't work like the way you expect you want it oil, because it says it's a bleaching oil. So you expect it to just work within 2 days. Does it? No. So you might be using it, you say it's not working, it's working, it works gradually. Keep using it. Yes, keep using it. So if I'm you, this is what some of, like, I'll be using it on my lotions all the time. Are you getting it? Yes, keep using it. It's very effective. It's very effective. Keep using it. All right. Then one more thing I want to tell you: if you know your stretch mark is those stubborn one, like it's not really caused by stress, but you lack some protein, or it's by stress, whatever that caused all that to you. I just want you to understand that you can use crude Skincarehow. That's the overall, the grandfather of it all. That's why it's pretty expensive. You can use crude Skincarehow for your stretch mark, right? So that's that. So I think with the little I know, which I've just given to you, if you're not clear, if you don't understand, you can always come talk to me on WhatsApp, via the number or with the number on your screen. That is what I said. So then again, if you want to buy your skincare recipe or you want organic products, you can always count on us. You can get to us via the number. Be where you are, anywhere in the world you are, right? But not in the land of see me no more, because I ain't coming there. And he ain't gonna come there too. I mean, the man behind the camera. No one coming here. Nobody from AYA is gonna come to the land of see me no more, right? So, but you can be anywhere on earth here. Yeah, we bring it for you. We deliver. It'll be in America. But where? Just name it. US, Canada, Asia country, Europe, UK, in the new country, just test us the name, we go locate you and bring the product for you. Everybody in this country, I swear, right? We'll bring for you. Retalk, that's what we do, So we've come to the end of this class. I appreciate you all. Thank you.